All right, so we got a lot of work to do, ladies and gentlemen. Starting with today, we just put a brand new set of Firestone destinations on here. These are the LE2s. Good tires, good tires. They cost some damn good money too. These are 60,000 mile tires. And I got some great news. I found a bed. Now some of you have said, hey man, you can take the side rail or the bed side off and replace just the side of it. Not on this one. This is a composite. If you look back here, I know you're going to see this bolt right here and you're thinking, oh my God, there we go. No, not going to work. There are no other bolts. This is actually, you can see the, what do you call those, tack welds? I don't know. I can't get this on here good enough, but this does not unbolt. Now, yeah, you can get the skin and redo it, but you know what? That's number one, that's not something I do. Number two, I'm not paying somebody to do it. Here's what I found. I found the whole bed in pretty damn good condition for $600 right here in the city. Just have to go pick it up. All right, I found the door. Matching color, by the way. The bed's the same color. The door is the same color. The door is $150. So you're talking $600 for that, $150 for this, both from the same location. $750 will replace the majority of this side of the truck. The fender. Fender is a tricky one. Now, I found one that is a dark charcoal, almost black, but not quite black, so it wouldn't match. I'm kind of wanting to hold out and try to find one that's black. But it's $65 and it's here in the city. So maybe it wouldn't hurt just to get the charcoal. It's a dark color. It won't blend perfectly, but you know what? Until I can find one, $65 may be worth it. Now, I've also bought new headlight assemblies. Not that there's really anything wrong with these, other than I don't think they match. If you look on this one, you can see it's got the orange side markers. And this one has clear, so something's not matched up here. So I got a matching set of those. The hood, we got some dings and some scrapes. The hood I'm not going to worry about right now. It doesn't really affect the look of the truck all that much, so I'm not overly concerned with the hood, but we will replace the hood at some point, but we're not going to do that right now. It's also got dings all over here. This side of the truck is really good, really good. So by the time we replace the bed and the passenger side door and the passenger side fender, this is going to be a really good, I mean really good looking truck, ladies and gentlemen. Really good looking truck. So I decided, oh, I also bought new taillights. I bought the same taillights, these blacked out taillights. Bought the same ones to replace. As you can see, this one's all damaged up, but I bought the exact same taillights. I think they're really cool looking. So I also bought a Flowmaster 40 series dual exhaust. We're going to have dual exhaust. It's a kit. It's basically a bolt-on kit. We're going to have Flowmaster 40 series, dual chrome tips coming out the back. And I know you're probably like, a V6 with Flowmasters. Let me tell you something. I had an older, like a 93 4.3 that I ran the same Flowmaster setup on. It looked good and it sounded damn good for a V6. What else did we get? Well, we also got a K&N cold air intake kit. Does it really add horsepower? Don't know. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't care. Personally, I think it looks good, it sounds good. We're not building this truck to make a profit off of. All right, the profit's out the window. So I'm well aware of that. We're going to do this because I was sitting down today and I was like, you know, we need to do some real work. And let me tell you, it's going to be some real work. All right, pulling an entire bed and replacing it, that's going to be some work. The door, that's going to be some work. The fender, that's going to be some work. The headlights, taillights, the Flowmaster kit. But that's not all, ladies and gentlemen. We got cabin air filter to replace. We've got, why do I have coolant? Well, because the coolant in here looks like water, and I don't play that. It's going to be done right. We got the Duralast Gold right here. This is the distributor cap and rotor bug. We're doing a full tune-up on this, people. Temporarily going to replace the air filter. I know a lot of people are going to be like, why in the hell would you buy an air filter when you just ordered a $340 K&N air filter? Look, it's all a tax write-off anyway. It's a deduction at the end of the year. I'll take all the deductions I can get right now. Plug wires. Original equipment, 195 degree thermostat. I don't think this truck has a thermostat in it at all, to be honest with you. I'm going to show you something here in a minute. I got some straps, a couple of these. These are commercial grade straps. These things are tough. I got these because I'm going to have to fit the bed of this truck in the bed of this truck. To do that, it's going to have to stand up really high, and I'm going to need these straps to hold the damn thing down. Let's see what else we got. We got more straps. We got Freon. I'll show you why we got Freon. We got to do some air conditioning work to this because this little Schrader valve is bad. This is a common thing to go bad under the hood. It will leak. The reason, I believe anyway, the air conditioning does not work on this truck is because it has leaked it all out through the Schrader valve, and we'll show you that in just a second. Man, let me tell you something. We spent some money today. I'm not even joking. Firestone, $773.14 is what we paid for the tires and all that other stuff, all the other goodies, tires, road hazard, oil change. It was $28 to get the oil change done. I just let them do it. We got these. These are my favorite headlights on earth, guys. Silver Star Ultras. Not because they're colorful, they're not pretty, they don't have special color effects or anything. They're actually headlights. They do what headlights are supposed to do. They don't look pretty. They give you the brightest and the widest path, furthest path down the road so you can see what's in front of you. These are about 50 bucks, but they're worth it. Now, let's jump under the hood and take a look at what's going on under here. There's my old tires. I'm going to put those up for sale. They're worth something, you know, even if it's only 40 or 50 bucks. Oh, to gain us about 20 horsepower, we added this Chevrolet steering wheel cover right here. That's a guaranteed 40, 50 horsepower. I hope you guys know I'm just kidding. All right. So here in the near future, this airbox will be out of here. This whole ugly mess will be gone. Out of here. We're going to detail the engine. We're going to clean it up. The thermostat, I haven't worked on a newer gen 4.3, but I believe the thermostat's going to be right down there. So we're going to need to take care of that. We're going to need to drain, refill the coolant. And let me show you something right here. If we can get down here. This is the Schrader valve. Listen, see if you can hear this. All right, that is the Schrader valve leaking, and you can see there's oil all under here. This is the refrigerant that's been leaking. Even though it's got a cap, it's not holding. And I am 100% certain that is why the air conditioner doesn't work. Back here, we got plug wires. Plug wires are down here. Spark plugs are way down here. We've got a spark plug here, spark plug here, spark plug here. These aren't that difficult to get to. Distributor cap way in the back, buried underneath all this crap that we got to take off. So we're going to do the distributor cap too. The suspension, thankfully, was in excellent shape. It took a great alignment. The alignment is perfect. Everything came out good. Good oil change. Transmission fluid is clean. We're going to get this antifreeze or water, whatever the hell's in it. We're going to get it out and put some clean antifreeze in it and that thermostat. And, you know, we got a lot of body work to do. So this thing is going to bring us quite a bit of work. This is going to make for several videos. And, you know I'm not making a profit on this truck. This truck isn't about making a profit. This is a truck I'm going to be towing stuff with, all right? But I do want it to look good. And I thought about it, and I was like, you know what? By the time I'm done with this, I'm probably going to have $5,500 in it. That is still less than this truck would have cost if I bought it used with a clear title. And I still would have had to do minor suspension work, probably tires and oil and plugs and all the normal stuff that happens when you buy a car. You just got to do it as preventative maintenance. So, you know, if I can get this done my way for $5,500, $6,000 and have a nice, reliable, good running, driving truck, man, I'm fine with that. And I get to do some amazing videos with you guys. We're going to have a lot of fun with this one. We really are. So we have a spare tire under here that I need to get that spare tire and the what is it, the thing under there that reels the spare tire in. That whole assembly is broken on this truck. It doesn't work at all. So we're going to steal it from this. We're going to steal the spare from this, and we're going to put all of it under here. Do you see what I mean? We got a lot of work to do. The G5 got cleaned up. Look over here real quick. I'll give you a quick glimpse of this. But I paid these guys 40 bucks to come out here and look at this. They cleaned the seats. You guys remember the G5, right? $40 to do this car. Carpets, everything, man. I'm gonna do a plug for these guys in another video. This is just a quick glimpse of the G5 because this thing is almost ready to go. The Jeep Liberty is sold. You probably see it's not here. Jeep Liberty is gone. No Jeep Liberty. Why? Jeep Liberty is sold. So we sold the Jeep Liberty today for $2,300. That was cash money. It's gone. The people are happy. Lady and her daughter bought it. The daughter's going to college. That's going to be what she uses to get back forth to college. So we sold everything but the Yukon and the G5. The Yukon, we're thinking about some things here. That 5.3 will fit under the hood of this, I think. But that may be too much work. I'm probably just going to if you send this back to the auction, I don't know, or scrap it out. I don't know. But next, we got to get rid of this. The truth is, I built up so many cars here that I think before I go buying any more, we're going to finish the projects we have on hand, and we're going to sell them. Like we need to get rid of this stuff, and then we'll start again. I'm about to get out of here, but guys, listen to me. I spent over $1,000 just on stuff in here today, and then the stuff I bought online. The K&N filter was $340. The exhaust was $250, so there's $5, plus all the other little things that I bought here and there, the headlights, the taillights, all that stuff. I've easily put a good $1,700 today into stuff for this truck. So we're just waiting for some parts to arrive and for me to have some time. I'm going to be headed to New Mexico in a couple days, so I'm going to be gone for a little bit there, and then I'm going to be in Los Angeles. I got to fly out to Los Angeles on the 10th, so if I am gone for a while, I'll try to do some videos to keep you guys updated, but I can't make any promises. You know, there's probably going to be a week and a half where I'm going to be gone doing what I do, you know, my other work, my job. So there's that. But I just wanted to update you on everything. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below. I'll do my best to answer it, but if not, I guarantee you I will read it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you guys in the next one.